The chef called the witch, and the witch then said, "Don't eat the cake!" All the zombies ate up all the food. What they really did was not at all good. The chef called the witch, and the chef then said,
We ate all the food and it was really yummy.